Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the drop Miura collaboration with the Gareth Bull. This is a front flipper, some redwood scales and backspacer, nice titanium. We're gonna try to see if we can improve the action, clean it up and maintain and disassemble this fella. But hey, don't forget to like the video, to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts about this little fella. So let's go ahead and start taking down this liner lock. I see here it might be a T8. Yeah, it is. So that's a T8. Let's just do that. The pivot is captive, I think, because that's what drops used to do. And then we're gonna need a T6 for the one screw for the handle, which is done like that. Boom. Nicely anodized titanium hardware for this front flipper, matching with the liner and the clip. So we got another couple screws right here inside to hold back the liners, which we are gonna undo right now, and that is one, and that is two. Done. All right, let's pull the blade out, wiggle gently, really gently, because there's always some tension here. So whenever you have tension, you know, just be gentle, and boom, like a charm, this guy's gonna come out like so, and this is out. That's the stop pin, that's the backspacer. This guy can just stay here for now. We should have another, no, it's all right, let's just leave it there. And yeah, that's pretty clean. So that's the washer, and you got the bearings, ceramic ball bearings, and you're gonna need some rubbing alcohol and just like a microfiber cloth like that to clean it up. Start from the bearings, which usually they carry some grease, like that. Okay, the washers like so, and this one as well. Boom, they're done. I'm not gonna do anything with the alcohol on the wood because I don't want to ruin anything. I'm just gonna go with the titanium here because that's fine. Just clean the inside of the bearing track and the sides, and I'm just gonna do the same on the other liner, which holds the lock. Cleaning the lock, cleaning the track, and cleaning the stop pin. And next we can go ahead and just clean the blade like this. Nice blacked out. This is S35EN, so pretty good to go steel. And that's it, guys. So we are all cleaned up. And we can do, so the, yeah, this is keyed in like in this way. So you see, like this little nudge, it's just gonna go right there, and it's gonna be aligned nicely. So where is it? Sorry, right there. There you go. So it should be flush like so. Just push it all the way down, and then you got your your like washer, like spacer, I should say, in. And then we are going to get for this one, I think 10 weight nano oil is gonna be pretty good, like 1 and 2 drops for that, and one little, like half of a drop of this 85 weight nano oil. Look at that, just a little smidge on that, and then this guy is in, and then you got your blade that is in, and then you got the other bearing and another couple drops, 1 and 2, and then you've got the, there you go, spacer, and then we're gonna sandwich everything together. Maybe let's not forget the back spacer right over here. Take one, take two. I see there's a little bit of Loctite here. You see, just a little touch of blue Loctite. Therefore, we're gonna do the same. So we're gonna do just a little, this is an old piece, like an old chunk. We can just toss it here for now. There you go. Where is it here? That is in. Second one, just like dipping a little bit, and that's in. So now we're gonna use back spacer in like so, sandwiched nicely, and that's gonna be just like that. Boom. And let's go. So that's okay. And that is in. Perfect. This we're gonna need in a second, just to check that everything is sandwiched nicely, and then let's just double check if we can just tighten a little bit more. No, that is okay. So everything looks pretty good. Scale is back. Hold it in place. Let's do this over here again, and boom, that is in. Swap T6 for the T8. Grab this pivot screw like so. Grab some more blue Loctite. And bam. Make sure, yeah, the scale is aligned, and never force anything. So, all right, this is all the way down. It's a little bit too tight, obviously. Snaps open pretty good, but there's no drop shot, you see, guys? But the blade is centered, so let's just undo a little bit like that. I think that's the hot spot. Look at this. Ooh, yeah. Guys, nice. Snappy. This thing is snappy. It's centered, but I would like to maybe center it just a tiny bit more. Look at that. It looks a little bit off, but we're talking like microscopic amounts. That is in. And still, oh yes, guys, this thing is flying open 100%. Really love the action. Just a little nudge to get this guy closed. Pretty solid feel in the hand. This is the Gareth Bull drop collaboration Miura. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.